Man, this is one of the first ZR1Xs in person. Yeah, well, I thank you for working this deal with me, and yeah, I'll see you later. Time to pick up the Z06. I see it sitting right here. Looks like it's blocked in. It's a 6-0.
Hey, what's up, Art?
What's up, Hector?
Right now.
I'll be right back, Hector.
Yeah, no problem.
You're being recorded.
Gas is away.
You're being recorded. You see my car?
You're recording? Oh, yeah, it looks beautiful, man. That beautiful Z06.
Yeah. You trying to sell another one?
I am. I'm gonna sell another. Yeah. But this car.
I know, that's the one.
None of the cars are built like this.
I know.
Because this is like.
This is the.
Has everything it really needs.
Yeah.
You know, like you don't need all that extra
things.
My dad would call it fufu magusta. You know.
It sat in front of your desk for how long?
Oh God. I can't even count months, and almost a year. But this car, look at it. Staring at it.
They fixed the grill guards.
Look at the grill guards, look beautiful. We got the.
Look at these handprints. He told me on the phone that they put handprints on it, so I was like, I'm gonna bring my microfiber cloth and I'm just gonna wipe it down.
Nice.
But yeah.
Like handprints, no handprints.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
I gotta go finish this up.
Hey, what did they do to your rims, bro?
What do you mean what I do to my rims?
What did they do?
I don't know what they do to them. Oh, it's dirty, yeah. Dang, it looks like it got caught up in a dust storm. Is this the quality I can expect here, Hector?
No, you expect us to clean it up for you.
No,
you just gotta talk to the other Hector.
No.
Laura?
Yeah, I'm not gonna let them send it through the wash.
Laura can help too.
No, I'm not gonna let them send it through the wash.
But look at it.
I know, they're dusty. Dusty is better than wet. As long as the car didn't get wet, that's all right.
You gonna take a track in again?
We'll see. Yeah, at some point this year. Yeah, we will. Hector! Oh, he's over there. What's up? Oh, you're heading that way. All right, cool.
What you doing? Nothing. Chilling. Yeah, that's cool, man.
This is a Ferrari spec. They got the brown interior, or the tan interior.
Right there.
Where?
Right inside. Like literally the same thing.
Yeah, it's a 3LZs. Yeah, because it's got the dipped interior. I'm gonna put this footage on YouTube.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, it's Ferrari spec because they did the red. Yeah.
You see the one inside?
No, is that ZR1X here? Because Mike came here and did a video. Yeah, take me to see it. Let's go. No, let's see this one inside first, and then let's go see the ZR1X. Bro, this is a Stingray. Huh? This is a Stingray. Yeah, it's a 26. It's nice. You guys just got that one in?
Yeah. Are you sure ready for that beautiful top?
Not yet.
We're talking ZR1X's, right?
Yeah, we're talking ZR1X's right now. Yes. Let's trade mine in for the ZR1X.
Well, get a Absolutely.
You gotta cash in your stock and get me one. Hey, that sounds like my car. Yeah, it is. He started it up. I like this one.
Yeah, this is nice. Nah, bro. A little screen.
It's got the. This has the 5.3 though. It's
Hey
Hector.
Hector, what's up, bro? I'm here with C. Well, I'm gonna show him the ZR1X.
I'm getting too known at this dealership now.
Oh, you're fine. That's good. That's a good thing. It's a positive thing.
Yeah, you guys want me to come here, huh?
Yeah, that's it.
We might get a Tahoe next year. We'll see.
You will. And then the ZR1X. The guy's gonna back out.
To be honest, I like.
Would you? If I was like,
nah,
this guy backed out on it.
No way. I like the Z06, dude. Like, I like the fact that it's rear-wheel drive. I like the fact that it's all motor. I like that it revs higher. Like, I love the Z06. It sounds better than the ZR1X. In fact, you know that, right? Because forced induction, you can't make it sound the same.
I know, but you gotta look at it, man. I didn't even know. Hopefully it's not gone.
I'll see it. I know you guys got that blue ZR1 though, too.
Yeah, it's pretty nice, but it's not the ZR1X, man. The ZR1X doesn't even look like it looks like it's right there, look. I'm just kidding.
You got the keys?
No, I can't.
Let's get the keys, bro. Come on. I'll give you $50.
I can't even get the keys, I promise.
$100.
I swear to God.
Go talk to Austin and let's give him $2,000.
I can't.
Yes, $3,000.
I'll do it. Yeah. I'll do it.
That was it, bro. Look at this.
You can't have the keys.
Those brakes are massive, dude. I love the carbon fiber on it, though.
Bro, those brakes.
I know, man. That's massive. I know, the scoop is sick.
Bro, like...
The only thing I would have done differently on this one...
What?
I mean, the way I would have...
Oh my God,
bro.
no grill guards. What is
I know, you got to get the grill guards. You can't... So the only thing... So here's the thing, right? Like, I love the white, but you got to spec it with blue, bro. The blue brakes... The black seats with the blue interior or the blue stitching, like, but these brakes are massive. I can't believe they're bigger than my Z06 brakes. Dude, the spoiler is bigger than you would think in person. You don't got the keys?
I mean, I don't know, maybe I could grab them somehow.
Man, this is one of the first ZR1Xs in person. Yeah, well, I thank you for working this deal with me, and yeah, I'll see you later. No, I'm kidding, man. Bro, this spoiler is massive.
Dude,
how'd they let it get rained on, though? Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh, I don't want to be nowhere near this. They're talking about, they got me on camera. No, but they let this get rained on. It's an animal.
This thing will survive the apocalypse. This thing will...
Look, the sticker doesn't even have...
The price point. It's not that much.
It's not that much, just...
It only cost the guy $400,000.
400,000? That's it?
Yeah. You know, this car...
That's nuts.
That's awesome.
It is. I know. The brake. I thought my brakes were big. Seriously. I know that intake scoop. That's nuts. And the engine. I love the blue engine cover. The valve cover.
The Z06
or the intake.
The ZR1.
Yeah.
The ZR1 is spec'd out way better.
Yeah, the blue one. I saw it.
You already looked at it?
No, not in here. I saw it on Mike's video, but let's go see it. Mike put out a video.
Yeah, well, I talked to him about it yesterday.
Did you?
2 days ago. I like track 2, but...
This is where they do all the PDI?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Those guys are pros.
Yeah, they should have put my my arrow on the bottom, but they didn't.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to knock them down a few
I don't know where
points.
that guy's at.
What guy?
There's a guy that was supposed to do your arrow.
They did it though eventually. Ooh, that was almost true. That would have been good to get on camera. No, it wouldn't have. That would have. He could have gotten fired.
No, they have a program. That's part of it. It's real. Program.
Oh, there it is.
Oh!
There it is.
That's why that guy did that.
Yeah.
Jonathan. There.
It looks so much better in blue though.
Look at it. What do you mean?
Look at that.
Brake lights in the caliper.
Yeah, it's got the exposed carbon fiber wheels too. Yep. So Cup 2Rs on it. See?
But guess what?
What?
It didn't do what I did. I wish you saw the one that I sold.
Yeah.
But, man.
Yeah, when you walked away, I had like 2 more people in the drive. I was like, damn.
Yeah, no,
No, you're good. But yeah, you told me what you go show me the other one.
yeah, the ZR1X that's top of the line.
What's the sticker price on that one? I haven't seen.
There's no sticker price listed. It has the paper that says, oh, it's just for whatever purposes. But like, if you were to
Buy it?
spec it out that with no markup, it's like $250. Yeah. So, yeah.
Yours was up there too in price, right?
Well, the MSRP with everything was $140 here.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I got a better deal than that.
Yeah.
Double check, then I'll walk over to the.
To the rental office?
Yeah. You talking about the fingerprints on it, so I brought my microfiber cloth, bro.
I tried my best not to put it, but I mean, it's kind of hard because I got to touch a vehicle to go around it.
No, I appreciate
the trim guy too, but he was telling me if he wants to take it, I was like,
No.
He takes really good care on the vehicle, so I want to make sure we don't.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate the extra love and care. That's why I drive all this way.
No problem.
40 miles, man.
Let's go take a look at it real quick.
Thank you, sir. And so, I hope these grill guards stay on this time.
Right? Yeah, no, this one, you tell me that these secure properly, so you listen to me. I was able to secure these right.
Okay.
Like this area right here wasn't bad, but still, once you hit the there was no scratches, so it was just more if you hit the light, you're gonna see like the handprints.
Yeah, I could wipe that down. Just want to make sure this
And
is.
the thing is, they tell me, well, man, wipe it. I'm like, no, don't wipe it down, because a lot of times they'll use the rags they have, and it's not the same as
Yeah,
using
it's
yours.
good. It's good. Yeah, I'm very, very particular.
Oh, I bet. I mean, especially a car like that, I would be the same way.
Yeah.
Pop it open. What is it?
Is that the? It's like a sticky thing.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, but like gum? No big deal. Man, there's horror stories, man. People take it, they get their rims curbed up and stuff,
No,
man.
yeah.
You know what I mean?
No, we left it inside the transmission stall for the same reason. So, and then when it rained, I was like, oh.
Yeah. Yeah. Because this never, like, if I can do anything about it, it's never gonna touch the rain, bro. I hate to be that Corvette guy, but
why
like,
not? I mean,
yeah.
You paid enough money for it.
Yeah.
You gotta take care of it. I give you your key, right?
Yeah, yeah. And the big thing is it's the engine
It
bay.
was right here. If you look at it right here,
Yeah.
there's like some prints right here. You just tell me. I tried my best to put one of those towels that they put, but it's like,
Yeah.
I know still when you take it off, you might still get some
Yeah, it's okay.
prints.
This is good. This is fine.
Okay.
I might as well. I appreciate it, man. Again, I appreciate the extra care, man. I'm really trying not to like. And we're back in business. Let's fire it up.